The ever-controversial Mr. Vegas is coming for none other than the queen of dancehall herself, Spice. In a fiery post this week, Mr. Vegas didn't hold back, calling Spice a mediocre recording artist who's only riding the wave left by Lady Saw's conversion to Christianity. Factually, she is not talented enough to become a musical icon. Hence, her theatrics and histrionics stand supreme to her musical contribution to dancehall, Vegas wrote. The blue-haired diva, known for her eye-popping stunts, just dropped her latest track, 2085T, and in typical Spice fashion, it came with plenty of drama. This time, she's stirring the pot by calling out a former dancer for hooking up with her ex. But wait, isn't this the same Spice who, back in 2020, admitted that her baby daddy Nicholas Lawal raped her former dancer Danger? Talk about a twist. Mr. Vegas isn't buying it. He sees this as just another one of Spice's publicity stunts. You don't have to go dig up back that diary, yeah, B, and to hurt a sister, he blasted in another post. Everybody is wrong, and you are never yet wrong. You always play the victim, sister. Grow up, man. Grow up. You're nearing 50 now. Grow up. Spice, now 41, has a long history of pulling these kinds of stunts to promote her music. Remember in 2023 when she sparked rumors of being pregnant, only to drop her song God A Bless to clear things up? Or how about in 2018 when she posted a light-skinned photo of herself, causing a frenzy of skin-bleaching rumors? It turns out it was all to highlight colorism in her song Black Hypocrisy. Vegas had more to say. You must can do music where you don't have to come put on one fake belly, says you pregnant, and no pregnancy is not there, he ranted. You must can do one song where you don't have to go put on one fake something say you a bleach, so everybody think you a bleach, and then drop the song. You take away from the song because all people a member say is, you did white. Grow up, man. It's not every one of your song you have to do that, brethren. Spice's 2085T sees her as an elderly woman reflecting on her career's highs and lows, with her performance of the granny persona reminiscent of past acts by General Degree and Macadiamond. What do you think, fam? Is Spice taking it too far with her publicity stunts? Or is Mr. Vegas just being a hater? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.